mga boss, ngayon para sa ating unang interview kahapon ay pinaunlakan tayo ng presidente ng Commissioner ng PhilSports Basketball Association para sa isang bagong basketball league na mapapanood natin dito anytime this summer dito sa telebisyon ng bayan. Kaya makakasama natin ngayong umaga ang isang team na kalahok sa bagong basketball league na to. Makakasama natin from the UP Fighting Maroons, si Jet Manuel pati si Coach Mo Gingerich. Good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Okay, welcome back. Kasi nandito ka rin last year, di ba?
Yes.
After nung isang game sa Adamson. Okay, so ngayon may bagong basketball league dito sa FBA. So ano ba yung pinaka-details nito? Kasi it's a new league. So ano ba yung participation ng UP dito?
Well, UP, participating kami as a school team. So, lahat ng players namin from UP. Medyo unique yung team namin. Kasi yung ibang team, from iba-ibang provinces, merong Pampanga, Laguna, a total of 6 teams. Kami, nire-represent namin Quezon City. So, sila, yung mga players nila, most of their players are from those provinces.
Okay.
Ganun yung ligang to to promote those provinces, to promote basketball in those provinces.
Okay, so yun yung unique sa team ninyo kasi kayo lang yung kumbaga from a school tapos represent yung city. Tama. So, Jet, as part of the team, syempre ikaw na yung isa sa mga players ngayon kasi si Mo ngayon as coach na or player ka rin dito?
Yes, coach.
Coach ka na ngayon dito. Okay, so ano yung mga preparations na ginagawa nyo lalo na yung mga makakatapat na dito from different provinces?
The usual, nagpa-practice kami every day. Yung preparation namin iba kasi iba siya sa UAAP na kalaban namin mga college players.
Yes.
So, it's more physical, mas mature yung mga players. So, ngayon, early part pa ng preparation namin for, of course, UAAP. We're trying to focus on getting the fundamentals down, the initial, the things that we need to work on for UAAP. So,
Since Jet, sinabi mo na mas mature yung mga players dito, sa tingin mo ba mas magiging edge nyo ba na mas bata kayo dito or the other way around?
of course, may edge kami. Siguro kaya namin tumakbo na mas patagal.
Okay.
Yun yung goal namin. So, pero iba rin yung mentality nga na mas mature sila. Kailangan namin matuto talaga.
Okay. For most likely, dun sa ibang teams from other provinces mo, marami dun mga students din. Pero graduating na sila or kumbaga tapos na yung school nila. When we're talking about UP, since nag-ACAD calendar shift, hindi pa tapos yung ACAD calendar nyo, yung school year niyo. So, paano yung ibabalance yan since may schools pa kayo tapos sila na mas focus na sila sa preparations nila?
Yeah, that's medyo mahirap sa amin yun kasi medyo disadvantage kami dun kasi nag-aaral pa kami. Tapos yung ibang games on Wednesdays, weekdays, so
Okay.
kailangan namin mag-absent para sa mga games. Pero it's a sacrifice we have to make in order to get better and improve as a team, get more experience for the upcoming season.
So, nung piniresent itong FBA sa inyo, no? Sa itong bagong association, ito, PhilSport Basketball Association, ano yung pagtanggap nyo dito? Ginrab nyo ba agad yung opportunity or ginusto nyo mas mag-focus na lang muna sa UANP?
I think the team grabbed the opportunity kasi kailangan din ng maraming games kasi lalo na sa team namin ngayon maraming mga bago, mga rookie, second year players, so kailangan nila ng more playing and game-like experience, and I think the FBA is a good opportunity for the players.
Pagdating sa support, Jet, from the alumni in UP, syempre may bago kayong league na sasalihan. Kamusta naman yung buhos ng suporta? Same din ba siya sa amount ng support na binibigay kapag UAAP yung laban?
Yeah, I think we can always rely on the UP community to support us. The management right now is doing a good job. It's more visible, and we're just doing our part as a team. So we can always rely on the UP community for support.
Okay, Coach Mo, paano makakatulong yung UP community or other people, syempre from the whole of Quezon City, kasi yun nire-represent nyo so even other schools could actually support you.
Yeah, well, may game nga kami this Saturday. It's technically a home game kasi yung ligang to home and away. Pero yung home venue namin sa Trinity University sa Erod. So inviting anyone from UP and from Quezon City really to come and support your team really if you're from Quezon City or UP in the FBA, and I think it should be a fun game to watch.
Naglaro na kayo, di ba? Naglaro na ng first game?
Yes, we played one game 2 weeks ago against the Pampanga team.
Pampanga team, kumusta naman?
Okay naman, tough. Na-challenge kami first game eh. So,
Okay.
may first game jitters, tsaka yun nga, bata yung team. Pero, learning experience.
Okay, so for this week, this Saturday sa Trinity, sino makakalaban ninyo?
Team from Binyan, Laguna, led by former PBA player Nick Velasco.
Okay. So ngayon ang pinaka-coach ninyo as Quezon City team sa UP Maroons, sino?
Si Coach Joe Ward, dating import sa PBA. Ngayon, siya yung parang interim coach sa UP.
Okay. Ayan. So this Saturday sa Trinity University sa May Rodriguez, pwede silang manood, supportahan na buong Quezon City kasi ang UP Maroons ang nire-represent nila yung buong Quezon City. So please do invite everyone to support your team this Saturday and of course watch the FBA here in PTV. Go ahead.
We'd like to invite the whole of Quezon City and lalo na yung mga taga-UP to come watch our games sa Saturday and even our future games. I'm sure we'll be having other games here in Quezon City and sa ibang provinces as well. So thanks for all the support.
Okay, thank you so much for your time at syempre sana maging successful kayo dito sa bagong league na sinasalin ng UP Maroons. Muli na kasama natin mga boss live sa studio, si Jet Manuel and si Coach Mo Gingerich from the UP Fighting Maroons. Thank you so much.
Thank you.